This is a revision of Advanced Audit and Assurance for the exam period of September and December 2020. And this is question 1, Part D, Use of Audit Data Analytics. Data analytics is the process of inspecting, exacting, filtering, and selecting information, and usually involves representing the results in a dashboard using charts, diagrams, and other data visualization techniques to communicate the result in an effective manner. It can be used to discover and analyze patterns, trends, inconsistencies, and anomalies. Data analytics is increasingly used by the audit firm and can assist in performance of a range of audit procedures. For example, to perform preliminary analytical procedures to select items from a population to include in a sample or substantive audit procedures, and to identify unusual transactions or balance. Many analyses performed using data analytics techniques are not fundamentally different to those performed by auditors already, but they have the following advantages. First, for an audit of new clients such as a group audit, data analytics could assist paid users in obtaining an understanding of the group, especially in relation to systems and controls over financial reporting, and should be improve the overall quality of audit performed. By analyzing the trends and anomalies in group data, the audit team can obtain a deep insight into the group's performance as well as how it is performing against competitors and industry trends. The 2 points above can lead to enhanced client service. Communication with clients can be enhanced as issues identified raised earlier in the audit process, and from the client's perspective, seeing data analyzed in new ways provides them with the opportunities to understand their own information from different perspectives. Much larger populations can be analyzed very quickly, making audit procedures much more efficient. For a large client like crew groups, this could be very important due to the volume of transactions which fall under the scope of audit testing. In this way, audit data analytics can increase efficiency and productivity by removing the task of extracting, sorting, and reconciling data. The audit team will have more time to use their professional expertise and judgment in higher risk areas or in dealing with anomalies, which will improve audit quality. Larger samples can be tested. Sometimes 100% testing is possible using data analytics, improving the coverage of audit procedures and reducing or eliminating sample risks. In the group audit, for example, this could be used in auditing the classification of individual items of capital expenditure, increasing the efficiency and effectiveness of testing in this area. Data can be easily manipulated to assess, for example, the impact of different assumptions in the group audit, or, for example, this could be applied in the audit of the impairment review, which is needed on operating license. Using dashboards and other innovative individual presentation of results can make it easier for the auditor to identify unusual trends or other anomalies, therefore assisting in evaluating the risks of material misstatement. This could be particularly used in auditing the segmental information, for example, in performing analytical procedures and reviewing the result. Data analytics could be used to determine the extent of the cyber threat, for example, by identifying the customer accounts which were affected, and to confirm that the problem has now been resolved by performing tests of controls. Other benefits of using audit data analytics include improving consistency of audit procedures, assuming that standard data analytic tools are used on all audit clients, and being able to enhance discussions with management and audit committees regarding the audit conclusion. This briefing notes highlight a number of significant audit risks, including those relating to property, plant, and equipment, revenue recognition, and disclosure requirements. A number of audit procedures have been recommended in relation to audit of segmental information provided in relation to revenue. In terms of providing advice to management on social and environmental information, this will be difficult to do without breaching ethical principles and should be further discussed with the Group Audit Committee. Finally, some benefits of using audit data analytics in group audit have been described.